Hello there, what is up? Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. On this channel, we share one little spark of life in each and every video. And in today's video, we're going to be unboxing the TheraBox subscription box together for the month of September 2020. So I know that this is October, but TheraBox sends out their boxes at the end of each month. I feel that getting this box is sort of like a nice little treat of, hey, you survived a month. I really like that they do send out their boxes at the end of the month. If you are new to TheraBox, TheraBox is a monthly wellness and self-care subscription box, just filled to the brim with goodies to help you unbox happiness. A little info, these boxes do run you $34.99 plus a little shipping each month, but each box guarantees at least $120 worth of retail value in the box. Let's open her up together. Each and every month you do have a little booklet that has what the month's theme is. So we have just plainly fall. It's fall, y'all. And by it's fall, y'all, I mean it was 90 degrees today. But I love fall. I love the concept of fall. And I really do love like the 5 days in Louisiana that we get that actually feel like fall. So I am going to be putting this to the side because this, oh, hello pumpkin. This does contain spoilers of what is in the box. We will be consulting this though as we unbox. Like I said, stuffed in with goodies. Let's see, the first thing I'm pulling out looks like it'll smell good, and these are some waxes from Willow Collective. Waxes with 4 tea light candles. I am a huge candle fan. I have never tried candle waxes before. Let me know in the comments down below what your experience with candle waxes are. Which do you prefer scented candle wax or the actual candle itself? So I do want to open these up before I see what the scent is, because it says that there's 4 tea light candles, but this is the slimmest box. Oh, that's adorable. Slim and how cute those tea lights are. And the scent of these wax melts is Autumn Stroll, and it says that it has a scent of earthy fir wood mixed with fruity note. It may just be because I am super hungry, but this looks like a block of cheese to me. Okay, so this smells really good. I tend to steer clear a lot of times of autumny scents just because I do find that a lot of them rely really heavily on pumpkin, and I'm not the biggest fan of the pumpkin smell. Some pumpkin candles and some pumpkin scents are good, but sometimes they turn like kind of bad in my little nostrils. But this one smells fantastic. It's called Autumn Stroll, and so is this. I assume that they are to be used together. And yes, so putting these together, it is a 2 little parter. I love this. This is going to go just perfectly in my apartment. I have a lot of gold accented things in my apartment. Next, we are pulling out a lip balm, which I definitely need. I have not been using really any lip products because I spend all day wearing a mask in my classroom. So my lips are super chapped. This is really going to come in handy. This is Portland Bee Balm. So this is supporting urban bees and their keepers. I love that. Ooh, we're pulling out some tea. I actually really enjoy this brand, Vadam of tea, and this is their Recover Active Turmeric with Green Tea Extract. Oh, that's a bummer. I'm going to have to pass this along to somebody. I was really looking forward to this because I love turmeric teas and I love turmeric in general, but this has turmeric green tea extract, matcha, ginger, black pepper, stevia, and ashwagandha. No, that is wrong. And ashwagandha. Probably mispronounced that, but it is that stevia. I am unfortunately allergic to that. I'll be passing this along to someone who can use it. I know that I just said that I was not a fan of some pumpkin scented things, but I'm going to open this up and give it a whiff. This is from Amina, and this is their pumpkin spice whip soap. Oh, it's soap. I thought it was going to be a body butter. That's interesting. I have never had a whipped soap before. Oh, that's pretty. Look, I'm not exactly sure if the camera is picking it up or not, but it has some gold. It looks like some gold glitter foil almost on top of it. Okay, so how I said that there were some pumpkin scents that I don't like, I do like this one. I like the pumpkin spice. It's mostly whenever it's like pumpkin mixed with other things and I'm like, no thank you. This smells just as gorgeous as it looks. We have a face oil from Essential Rose. This is their Rose Gold face oil, and this has a mantra to it. It has rosehip and pomegranate, but it says it regenerates skin and heals emotion. It says, I nourish here. The mood is unconditional love and self-acceptance, and the mantra is, I nourish myself on a cellular and emotional level. I can tell you that just from the bottle being here, like once I took it out of the plastic that it was wrapped in, it smells amazing. I'm currently working my way through a rose oil, so I'm not going to open this one. I will save it for when that one runs out. I don't want to open it, kind of let the air in, and then, you know, start the what is it, like the expiration process. So like the aging expiration sort of process. So I am going to leave this one all nice and closed. Continuing on, we have an item from Viola Vaughn. That's interesting. It's a facial cupping set. Right. So it looks like there are cups of different sizes. So I know that usual cupping takes place with like smoke, and then you put, and it like suctions with the smoke. But this, it just looks like it's just like kind of suction cuppy. Let's see exactly what the instructions are here. All right, so the booklet says that cupping is known to prevent early aging, helps with a natural facial rejuvenation. It boosts collagen, effectively plumps up skin tissues by improving blood circulation, and even softens scars. I should definitely try that on my thyroid surgery scar. All right, so it says on a clean face, apply your favorite oil or serum. Suction the cup to your face. Begin gliding the facial cup in an outward and upward motion across your face for at least 10 to 15 minutes daily. All right, so I think that in the upcoming weeks, I will film a little sort of, not tutorial really, because I don't want anyone to be like, oh, that's like an expert, but I think I'm going to film like a first impressions. How does the facial cupping set from Viola Vaughn like really work? So yeah, definitely if you're interested to see how this would work, definitely hit that subscribe button. That way you'll be notified when I film that video. Our next product is from Way of Will. This is their Soothe and Cool Peppermint and German Chamomile Massage Oil. So it says here that it is a post-training massage oil. I was training for a 5K, not anymore, but still will use this on like achy joints. After I exercise randomly, I will use this. I received a Way of Will. Was it in our last TheraBox? Yes, in the Sweet Dreams TheraBox. If you missed that unboxing, I'll link it up in the cards and down below in the description box. But I absolutely love that it was a Sweet Dreams essential oil blend that you rubbed on your pulse points, and then it helped you fall asleep. It really does help me fall asleep. All right, so this says for optimal use, apply to clean skin after a shower when the skin is still damp. Give it a little smell. So this is what it looks like when you open it up, just your normal dropper. And that is both simultaneously comforting, calming, and invigorating. The first thing that hits you is that strong peppermint, and then it kind of calms you with the scent of the chamomile. And then our last item is our happiness item, and this is our Unplug, a 30-day digital detox challenge. I am interested to see exactly what is in here. I do have to say, I would not consider myself addicted to social media or addicted to any sort of digital thing. I mean, besides like binge watching TV, but really all like the only social media that I really do, ooh, these are large cards. The only social media I do is on here, is uploading videos on here, and then uploading to my Instagram page for this channel. Don't even have, well, I mean, I have a personal account, but I don't go to it ever. But yeah, so I really think it's a big deal for me, but I am interested to see what this is. So we have you made it to day 30, so I'm assuming it starts here. Yes. All right, so it says, we're starting small to find some reprieve from the screen and amplifying the good old analog stuff. The Unplug 30-day digital detox challenge goal isn't merely about cutting down on screen time. This mental cleanse is about building a routine that works better for you, carving out the moments of mindfulness and using downtime for rewarding and relaxing pleasures, like a classic game board. Let me try that again, like classic board games. Trying something you haven't done before, or being one with nature. Ooh, day 1, make your room a tech-free zone for 24 hours. I actually would have an issue with this one. That is very interesting. I am big into journaling, so I think that I will actually take this Unplug a digital detox challenge, journal my results just to see how things progress over the course of a month. If you have done any sort of digital detoxing sort of challenge, let us know in the comments down below how that worked out for you. All right, so now we're going to dive back into the fall box little pamphlet to find out the retail value of every single thing in this box. This box does promise a 185 plus retail value. So the first thing is our rose oil. So this is the Essential Rose Gold Face Oil. This has a retail value of $48. Next, we have our Autumn Stroll from the Willow Collective, both the wax melt holder, it's a whole set, that has a retail value altogether of $29.99. Our Way of Will number 3 Soothe and Cool Massage Oil has a retail value of $29.50. Viola Vaughn facial cupping set, the set of 3 has a retail value of $19.99. Extremely interesting to me, pumpkin spice whip soap from Anamina Skincare has a retail value of $19.99. Or Vahdam Recover Active Turmeric with Green Tea Extract tea has a retail value of $19.99. The Portland Bee Balm Oregon Mint Balm has a retail value of $2.99. Last but certainly not least, our happiness boosting activity, the Unplug Digital Detox Card Deck from the Happy Shop has a retail value of $15.99. Altogether, this box comes out to $186.44, which I think is a great value for a box that only costs $34.99 a month. All right, so here's one last final shot of everything that came in the fall themed TheraBox box. I am most excited. I am actually most excited to have a look through of that Digital Detox Challenge Unplug set. In all honesty though, I think that I'm most excited for the oils. Let us know in the comments down below what your favorite product from this month was. In the description box down below, you are going to find links for other TheraBox unboxings in case you are new to TheraBox and you would like to binge your way through those videos. Be my guest to do so. I also have a link down below where you can check out and possibly even subscribe to TheraBox if you would like to do so. If you like subscription box unboxings, please do consider subscribing to this channel. Every Monday and Friday is sort of our little us time to share together where we do unboxing, lifestyle videos, how-to videos, things like that. And every Wednesday we share little sparks of Disney together. Hitting that subscribe button, ringing that bell would help me out tremendously. I would greatly, greatly appreciate it. Hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day and I will see you in another video. Goodbye.